Shalom everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I just wanted to share with you guys how I make my make some diaper cream and body butter for my 2-year-old son, and we're just gonna get right to it. Okay, first we're gonna need some beeswax. I'm making 4 ounces, that's 115 grams of diaper cream. 4 ounces or 115, that's 115 grams. So beeswax, we're gonna need 15 grams of beeswax. Thank you, baby. Thank you. You can use any oil you have, so I'm using grapeseed oil, 80. Butter and beeswax are all melted. Just gonna stir it up a little bit just to make sure that everything is melted properly. At this point you could add any kid safe essential oil, maybe lavender or chamomile essential oil. Those are kid safe. About 15 to 20 drops per 4-ounce container. On the body butter, and this is gonna make 230 grams, which is 8 ounces of body butter. First we're gonna need shea butter, 115 grams of shea butter. Next, we're gonna need 30 grams of coconut butter. You could also use mango butter or cocoa butter. Next ingredient will be any oil of your preference. Right now I have some Herbal infused grapeseed oil. The oil was infused for about a month with some lavender, chamomile, and calendula flowers. Those herbs are very gentle and great for your little one's skin. Now you don't have to have Herbal infused oil. If you don't have, you could just use regular grapeseed oil or avocado oil or sweet almond oil, whatever carrier oil you have on hand, and that's 68 grams. Now we're gonna put our butters and oils to melt, and while they're melting on the stove in some water, we're gonna measure out our vitamin E oil and arrowroot powder. So for our arrowroot powder, we're gonna need 5.76 grams. And this helps the body butter to not be too greasy. Next, we're going to measure out our vitamin E oil, and we're going to need 1.16 grams of vitamin E oil. The oils and butters were melted, and I put them in the fridge to solidify to that texture, that consistency. So you know what you see is a little creamy, not too hard, not too soft. So that's how you want it. I forgot to show you when after the oils and butters were melted. So after they're melted, you put them in the fridge for about 20 minutes or until they get to that consistency. This is after about 5 minutes of whipping. I'm gonna add the arrowroot powder. Vitamin E oil. Keep whipping. I whip for about 10 minutes. Yeah, for about 10 minutes. But just whip until you get that consistency, just fluffy, creamy consistency. watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you feel led to. Shalom, guys.